the digital marketing flowchart. Today in this video we are going to talk about what are the integral activities in the whole cycle of digital marketing. Before we go ahead in this video, I'll request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Photos and videos. This is the first step of your digital marketing journey. If digital marketing is a car, photos and videos are its fuel. If you want to drive your car far and long, you need high quality fuel for it. We at Monkey Studios are affiliated with premium production houses, photographers, video editors who can create amazing video and photograph content for your brand. We do not only have the right capabilities to drive your car of digital marketing, but we also know how to create premium quality fuel for it. Product photography, creative photography, ad films, 360-degree photography, meme marketing, content with content creators, anchors, going live. We have done it, we know how to do it, and we can do it for your brand. So this is what we do when it comes to photos and videos at Monkey Studios. Then comes website. Website is your digital showroom. Be it a small business, medium business, or a large enterprise, everyone needs a website. Website is not just limited to e-commerce. Even manufacturers or service providers must have a detailed, informative website with the right call to action. Monkey Ads is affiliated with highly skilled and experienced website developers who can build websites on Wix, WordPress, Shopify, or similar such leading website development CMS platforms. Using the right mix of textual content, photos, videos, static and motion graphics, a website can be built and then further generate credibility and business opportunities for your brand. A website can be either e-commerce or a non-e-commerce. E-commerce websites are such websites where a person can come and explore the products or services via photos and videos, learn more about it, and make a purchase transaction, pay for the product or service, and get the delivery. Whereas a non-e-commerce website will be more of displaying the information about the business, used with the help of photos, videos, motion graphics, static graphics, and generate business opportunities with the help of call to action. That's all about website. Let us now talk about SMO and SMM. Before that, I would like to talk about OM in digital marketing. If you want to build your brand and generate business from digital marketing, you need to have the right mix of O for optimization and M for marketing. When you regularly publish content in order to engage with your audience and build an authority without paying to the platforms, falls under O for optimization. When you pay to the platforms to show your advertisements to the right segment of people, that falls under M for marketing. O and M thus put together forms OM. Let us understand social media optimization, which is SMO. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google My Business, YouTube are the platforms which are focused upon when it comes to SMO. SMO starts from building your brand identity on these social media platforms, which is followed by having a regular communication on these platforms to build audience engagement and authority using the latest tools and techniques provided by the social media platforms, and this is all under SMO, which is called social media optimization. Profile picture, cover image, posts, images, videos, reels, remixes, tags, mentions, these are all media options available for SMO. In order to measure SMO in terms of engagement, we need to focus on the number of likes, shares, followers, mentions, tags, comments, and so on. Content strategy is the most crucial part of SMO. Right kind of content is created with the mix of textual content, photos, videos, static and motion graphics combined with the right kind of audio. Surbhi and Palak, along with the team of Monkey Ads, have an experience of managing this for 100 plus brands in the past 16 years of combined experience. Let us now talk about SEO and SEM. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Search Engine Optimization is the process of building credibility about your website and authority of your website in the eyes of the search engine. Google, Yahoo, Bing are certain examples of search engine, Google being the most prominent one among all of them. SEO is divided into two parts, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves activities which are on your own website. Say for example, having the right kind of keywords in your title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and the overall content of your website. These are all activities which are under the on-page SEO part. Off-page SEO is a process where you build the authority of your website outside your website. In this, you need to have your focus on building backlinks, managing your social media presence, or creating digital PR of your brand, All these activities fall under off-page SEO. Surbi and Palak, along with the team of Monkey Ads, have an experience of doing this for more than 100 brands in the past 16 years of combined experience. So as we have now learnt about SEO, let us further discuss about SEM. SEM is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is the process of paying to Google and telling Google to show your brand at the top spots on the search engine result page. SEO is more like homeopathy, whereas SEM is allopathy with instant and quick results. When it comes to SEM, there are multiple formats of advertising on the search engine result page and the display networks. Search, shopping, display, performance max, discovery, and various others are the formats of Google Ads. As we have just understood that, with the help of search ads, when someone searches about your keywords, your ad is shown on the search engine result page. Similarly, with the help of Google display ads, you can show your advertisements on display networks and the partner websites of Google like YouTube, Gmail, and so on. Also on the Google Maps. Apart from that, you want to show your advertisements on leading news publication houses like, say for example, Times of India, or you want to show your advertisements on Ghana.com, or you want to show your advertisements while someone is seeing Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma on YouTube. All these can be done with the help of Google display ads. In Sanskrit, we say atra tatra sarvatra, which means here, there, everywhere. With the help of Google ads, you can make your brand go everywhere you wish. Please note, for SEO and SEM, it is imperative to have an effective website. Surbi and Palak, along with the team of Monkey Ads, have done it for more than 100 plus brands in the past 16 years of combined experience. Let us now talk about influencer marketing management. Who is an influencer? A content creator who has built a community of N number of followers who can be influenced by that content creator to make an informed decision to buy a product or service is known as an influencer. Now, in order to manage these influencers to promote your brand's activities is what we call influencer marketing management. Influencer marketing, when done on Instagram, often drives brand awareness and followers for your Instagram account, whereas when it is done on YouTube, it is more effective to bring sales. This is a general observation and can vary from brand to brand. Monkey Ads is proficient in influencer marketing management and have done it for multiple brands in the combined experience of 16 plus years in this field. Let us now further talk about digital PR management. What is a business? A business is about solving problems. When a business solves problems, it creates a positive impact on the society. Thus, it definitely deserves recognition. Identifying opportunities or creating such events and activities in your business or your brand and then creating newsworthy content out of it is what we call digital PR management. Digital PR is all about getting published and recognized by leading online digital news publications. It helps to create a buzz and credibility about your brand and also indirectly helps you in your SEO or for the very experienced Monkey Ads team for your digital PR management solutions. Let us now further talk about e-commerce and social commerce. When a business does buying and purchasing transactions with the help of internet, it falls under e-commerce. A business can deal in e-commerce with the help of marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, or it can also do business with the help of its own e-commerce website. Further examples of e-commerce marketplaces along with Amazon and Flipkart are Myntra, Ajio, Meesho, Tata Click, and so on. For a grocery brand or an FMCG brand, grocery marketplaces like Big Basket, Swiggy Instamart, Amazon Groceries, Flipkart Groceries, these Reliance JioMart, these are important. You might be thinking that I am not a business which is dealing into products which can be sold on e-commerce. Then for you also, what e-commerce is having in store? For manufacturers or service providers who are not directly selling to the customers, they should focus on the power of e-commerce provided by local search engine directories like Just Dial, India Mart, Trade India, and so on. Let us now further talk about social commerce. Social commerce is a subset of e-commerce. When businesses use the platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram DM, Facebook Messenger to interact with prospect customers and do a buy or sell transaction, that falls under social commerce. Social commerce is also having another angle of having a reseller network which can target tier 2, 3, 4 cities of India. Shopsy by Flipkart is an example. Meesho is also an example of social commerce. empower your business with the power of e-commerce and social commerce with a very efficient team of monkey ads handling your digital marketing. The ultimate goal of a business, along with generating brand awareness, is to do sales. With the help of digital marketing, you can not only generate business for B2C, but you can also generate business for B2B as well as institutional sales. You can even build channel partners with the help of digital marketing. I often tell this to people. If you are doing digital marketing but you are unable to generate business out of it, then I must say that you are limiting yourself to graphic designing. Strategize with the experienced and educated team of monkey ads for the right kind of digital marketing for your business to not just only build your brand but also generate business from the same. So this was the flowchart of digital marketing. It is a continuous process. Please note, digital marketing is not a fling, it is a marriage. So it is very important to choose the right partner for your marriage of digital marketing. So when it comes to choosing the right partner, you must choose the experienced and educated team of digital marketing specialists of Monkey Ads. We are powered by the combined experience of 16 plus years of our leadership team, Ms. Surbhi Saxena Madhwani and Mr. Palak Madhwani. Ms. Surbhi Saxena Madhwani has done entrepreneurship development programs from IIM Bangalore and Indian School of Business. Mr. Palak Madhwani has done his global MBA from Liverpool John Moores University, United Kingdom, and PGPM from IMT Ghaziabad, specializing in marketing. Surbhi and Palak are your engineers in advertising, and we lead a team which we proudly call Vanar Sena. This Vanar Sena is equipped with highly specialized brand managers who can help you take the chalang, the leap of progress for your brand. Schedule a meeting with us to see the future of your brand with the power of digital marketing. Karo man ki, maro chalang.